Knowledge is free. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forget. We do not forgive. Expect us. We are watching you, Western New York. There has been much talk and untrue depiction of Anonymous supporting presidential candidate Ron Paul. Many have went so far as to make Ron Paul seem that he is anonymous by showing him with a Guy Fawkes mask and wearing a Revolution shirt. We have not now, nor ever endorsed presidential candidate Ron Paul. We do not endorse the Republican and or Conservative Party, the Tea Party or the Democrat and or Liberal Party or Coffee Party. How can we when we are all of these political parties and none of these political parties? We are the people of the world that includes many ideas, ideals and religions that help shape our world and current government system. We are here to give the people a voice without fear of retribution by more powerful and rich elitists. We are here to keep the world free, to keep knowledge free, to keep our voices free, and let the people rule instead of a small greedy, power-hungry minority. We are anonymous. We do not forget. We do not forgive. Expect us.